Do you want to make more art, but you don't know where to begin? This video is for you. In 6 steps, I will tell you how you can start making more art today. So step 1, look. Look at artists, look at artwork on Pinterest, Instagram and galleries. Take photos and save those that you like. Step 2, take your own references. When you're out on a walk, just keep an eye out. Just notice anything that catches your eye. Atmosphere, interesting light or shadows. Step 3, research. So choose one image and think what materials were used. Can you have a little look on YouTube? Is there other examples of how that's used? Have a little look around until you come across there might be a tutorial that gives you that fire in your belly. You're like, I want to try that. Step 4, get the materials and choose a window of time that you're going to do this. Can be 20 minutes, 30 minutes, doesn't need to be long. Step 5, make the thing. Step 6, share without judgment. It's about the process and there's something about sharing it which tricks the brain into thinking you've made progress, because you've given it a go, and that builds momentum, and also somebody else might see it and get an idea and you might inspire them, or they might get in touch with you and be like, oh, I was trying that too, and you've made some connections. So try those 6 things today and let me know how you get on.